How to send bulk messages using the WP message sender extension. Follow this step. So first step, start by opening the web WhatsApp tab and refreshing the tab. Open your Chrome browser and WhatsApp web tab here and one time refresh. I have already refreshed. Then you can see second step. Click on the extension icon located in the browser toolbar. So then click on extension icon this and click on this. So you see the our tool window. Then in the enter number input field, enter or paste one number you want to send message it to without the including country code and separate by the number using comma and enter. Example like this. Now I am entering number. Then next step, enter your desired message in the enter person message field. This will be the message that you want to send to each person. Here, enter your hi is testing message WP message sender. The next step, click on the start send message button to begin process. Then click to start button here. Start send message. So now process is started. You can see the logs here and the message sending process will start and message will be sent one by one of each of specific number. Here you can see one by one message is starting sending and then you can monitor the progress of the sending message process and view the message report to keep track of status of each messages. So you can see the keep messages status here number one, number two, their time, this is time and this is submitted. So by following this step, you can easily bulk send messages using the WP message sender automation. Thank you.